Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will be talking about 5 rookie mistakes that you make with your sunscreen. If you don't know me or if you're visiting my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without much ado, let's begin. Sunscreen is one of the healthiest things which you can use to protect your skin from the sun. A good sunscreen with potent UVA and UVB blocking can keep your skin from getting burned. It minimizes the wrinkles and other signs of aging, and it minimizes or reduces the risk of skin cancer. You should choose a sunscreen that's broad spectrum and water resistant with an SPF of 30 or above. Let's move on to the mistakes which we make with the sunscreen. Regardless of your age, race, skin tone, you need sunscreen every day. Sunscreen protects our skin from the ultraviolet rays that is emitted from the sun. There are two types of ultraviolet rays, UVA and UVB. The majority of the sun rays, that is UVA, which constitutes of about 90 to 95%, contributes in premature aging and wrinkle formation. Whereas the UVB, which consists of 5 to 10%, is responsible for the sunburn. Both types of rays are responsible and contribute to skin cancer, and these are present even on cloud or dull or days on which you cannot see the sun. These are present even then. Wearing a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF 30 or above will help you. And you should wear sunscreen year round irrespective of the weather or the climate present. Broad spectrum sunscreen provide protection to both UVA and UVB rays. It is important to choose a broad spectrum sunscreen of 15 minimum. Now we say SPF, SPF, SPF. This SPF is nothing but sun protection factor. The higher the SPF, the higher the protection it provides against the ultraviolet. SPF is determined by how long the unprotected skin would take to burn. Most of us don't use enough sunscreen, and this crimping can lead to sunburn. So use more enough sunscreen. Don't just take a drop of sunscreen and try to apply to your whole face. Take minimum of 2 finger lengths of sunscreen and apply it on your whole face. If you're applying it on other parts of the body, make sure you take a good amount of sunscreen and cover your whole exposed parts with sunscreen. When in doubt, apply more. FDA requires all sunscreen to remain good for at least the period of 3 years. If you're using a good amount of sunscreen, a proper required amount, it shouldn't take you long enough to finish the bottle. But if you have a concern, always keep and check on the expiry date so that you use the product when it's in good condition and not the outdated product. Most sunscreen are only effective for about 2 hours when you are in the sun. Swimming and perspiring can even wash away your sunscreen way faster. It is important to reapply your sunscreen immediately after a very vigorous activity or a dip in a pool. So that was about the 5 mistakes that you make with sunscreen. For all the viewers watching till now, thank you for watching, and you will get another bonus tip. Enjoy getting outdoors in a sunny weather and all of that, and additional clothing or hat will help in additional protection along with the sunscreen. So make sure whenever you're roaming outside, you wear a hat or a jacket or the sun coat which you usually get, because it will give you another physical protection against the sunscreen. So that was all about the 5 mistakes about the sunscreen. Thank you for watching the video till now. And if you have watched till now, make sure you comment and let me know if this video was useful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and support me so that I bring more and more of such videos for you. Thank you.